This is the USB disk which comes along with the USB type network analyzer, the model BN100. So we will install it in our laptop. So we will just connect it to our laptop and let us see how to install it. Just start the process. I will connect this USB to my laptop. After that we will install it. So the installation file BN100 setup, it will be found in this USB disk. We will just run out it, just double click on it. It will start install. One notification as usual on all windows, just click on yes. Again, install seed wizard for VNA. Install seed wizard will install. Okay, just next, install. These are very simple steps. We could follow these steps. Okay, welcome to the device driver installation wizard. So it will install the drivers for the device. Okay, finish. So the installation is finished. See, after installation this shortcut will be generated. So for run the application, we have to just double click on the shortcut. So the application will be started. Next video we will see how it works.